ETRADE Pro app. The pros, the cons. Most people assume professional-grade trading platforms are complicated and expensive, but the ETRADE Pro app offers high-level tools right from your phone. You won't believe how much power it puts in the hands of serious traders. The app excelled in advanced charting, real-time streaming quotes, and customizable dashboards. Traders can access complex order types, market scanners, and technical studies to refine strategies. ETRADE Pro also supports options and futures trading, making it ideal for active and professional investors. Its seamless integration with ETRADE accounts ensures funds, positions, and history are easily accessible across platforms. Security is solid, with two-factor authentication and encryption protecting sensitive information. The app also provides educational resources and market news to help users make informed decisions. However, there are drawbacks. The interface can feel overwhelming for beginners, and some advanced features require prior trading experience. While ETRADE Pro offers competitive pricing, certain trades, like options contracts, may carry higher fees than simpler platforms. Additionally, mobile devices may not provide the same speed or analytical depth as a desktop version. In conclusion, the ETRADE Pro app is perfect for serious traders who want robust tools, advanced analytics, and professional-grade features on the go. Beginners may face a steep learning curve, but for those committed to active investing, it delivers the power and flexibility needed to execute complex strategies effectively.